It's not fair! It's not fucking fair!
Don't worry, Mr. Papyrus. I'm sure it will be okay. By the way, are you the knight?
I will be once I join the Royal Guard. It's not fair. I'm so fucking hungry, but I can't afford food money.
It's okay. I have some food on me. Here, have this Snickers. You're not you when you're hungry, Papyrus.
Guys, I am fucking allergic to peanuts.